Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to connect Namecheap domain to Lovable AI step by step. First, go to your Namecheap dashboard and log in. Then click on domains from the top bar and it will give you the domain list. If you already had bought one, it will show up in somewhere here. But if you haven't, you can purchase it from here by using your card or anything else, and then find your domain and click manage, and then scroll down to name servers and select custom DNS. And now let's open Lovable AI and go to the domains tab. So after that, copy the name servers Lovable provides and then paste those name servers into Namecheap. Click on the green check mark to save, wait for 15 to 30 minutes for it to connect, and that's it. This was for today's video. If you like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. And don't forget to ring the bell if you want more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.